Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Saturday and a great weekend. Well, as you can see, we have a bag and that means we have a review. Let's find out what's inside the bag. Here's if I can get it open. Yeah, I'm using my little gold scissors. Why not? You know, we got 19 pairs. Let's just use them. All right, so we have stamped cross-stitch kits. We'll start with the one on the bottom here. Okay, this comes from PaintSomeWay. If I have a discount code, I will put it here, or if they have any kind of specials, it'll go right here. And it'll also be in the description box below. So let's get to the first one. Let's put them scissors away because they are quite sharp. Okay, try not to knock anything over. All right. Okay, I am back. I will put a picture of this right here or over here. So this is a 60 by 45. Yes, I know it's not autumn. And oh my goodness. This was $11.99. It has a nice big pattern. It has no picture, you know, on the side. And no instructions on the side. It does have 40 colors. Very well printed. I see a little bit of blotchiness in those blues and yellows, but nothing horrible that you can't read the pattern. I think it's just the nature of the ink. So let's see what colors we have. I'll show you how well this is printed. This is an 11 count. Very nicely done. So we have 154, which is mulberry, 310 black, 498, which is a brick red. We have 823, which is a dark blue. No 939. No 3371. We have 3770, which is that butter color. And for white, they're using 3865. So, yay! We set that up there. Does come with, whoop, here's the instructions. It's on a separate little piece of paper. So if you've never done this before, it kind of points you in the right direction. And if you ever have any questions on how to start or whatever about a kit, just email. My email address is in the description box below. Or you can make a comment and ask a question, certainly. So, yeah, and I will try to answer it the best of my ability. And if you want any more information, you can go and look on YouTube, and they have plenty of tutorials. Alright, it does come with a toolkit, 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. And I don't know if you can see that. It's the blossom again. Very nice. Oh, and the bell's back again. Let's take a look at the colors. Before I take this out of the bag, I wanted to show you that it does have the product number right here. So the product number 3387. Sorry, I can't read. 3687 matches the threads. And 3687 matches the canvas. So check those out. That's not a foolproof thing that everything will match, but you know, it is what it is. But at least all those numbers match. So hang on. Okay, so these all come on a thread card. We have kind of an orangish, a goldish orange. I don't know how else to explain it. And kind of a muted mulberry look. But look at all the deep reds and rusts and autumny colors. So this will be beautiful. And it is quite big, so it's 60 by 45, so it's going to have some size to it. Nice blues, oranges, reds. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. autumn colors. Yeah, I saw this and I thought it was quite different. Like the little Amish buggies there, and they got their little fire out front and their chairs. They're all ready to sit out by the little fire pit thing. And I don't know what you call that. There's a word for it, but it's escaping me right now. Let's take a look at the canvas. The canvas is nice and smooth, and it is full of confetti. Yeah, look at all that confetti. I'm going to fold it and bring it up so you can see just how confetti it is. Nice, easy to see symbols though, so that's very nice. And printed well. I don't see any, you know, smudges or smears. If I did, you know, I'll let you know later when I work on it, so we'll see. It is serged all the way around, and the serging does not go into the numbers, so that's nice. Over there, let's take, whoop, wrong side of the thing. All right. It is approximately 23 inches or 59.5 centimeters by 44 centimeters or a little over 17.25 inches. Actual picture size is 15 inches or 38 centimeters by 20.75 inches or 53 centimeters. Whoa. Okay, it doesn't want to play today. Now at the top it does have that product number as I showed you before and how big it is here. Down here, oh, I'm going to have to move that bell again. We're having an avalanche over here. Hang on, there'll be a hot moment. It does show you that it is 233 across by 168, and that is how many squares per square that it is. So very nicely done. Nice canvas. It's kind of stiff, but I think it'll crunch down after a hot moment. But yeah, and it does have some bigger areas to stitch in. And I wish I'd stop putting... We have X's, Y's, dots, all in that turquoise green. In that area. Oh my goodness, guys. I don't know what to tell you. Get it together, people. Alright, now this one I have really been waiting for. Sorry. Okay. I have been waiting for this for a while. I saw these and I was trying to figure out how I could get them all. So, in all my ordering for all the companies that I do, I couldn't find the spring. So, I had to get this one separately. So, let me get it out of its bag. Okay, I am back. Crunching ceased. This is not a great picture of it, so I will put a better picture right here. So this comes in all 4 seasons. I don't know if they have all 4 seasons. I didn't look. By the point I got to, I just ordered this one. So, very nice. I just love all the butterflies and the birds and I don't know if those are moths or the little bird's nests and all the green leaves and yeah, I had loved all the elements of this. So, very nice. It is a 40 by 60. It was $10.99. This is one of the newer kits. Product number is here. Down in this corner, it has 40 by 60, and it's 148 by 234. This one has the instructions, and they're very clear on how to start, how to finish. Let's see what the whole thing looks like. It has 32 colors. So you got lots of background area there. Oh my goodness. Let's see, what colors do we have? We have no 310 black. No 939, no 823. None of these colors that I know. How's that? Except for the white, they have 3865. Possibly 64. I don't know what 64 is. It does have 3770, which is that pale yellow color. I call it butter color. Very nicely printed though. Is going to have some confetti in areas, and then you got bigger areas with that background. That's background right in here is that 3865, and 3770 is a yellow. So very nicely printed. It is also an 11 count. I didn't know if I said that. I either repeat myself or don't give enough information. I'm telling you. It does come with a toolkit. We have the blossom again. So you have 5 needles, poop ball, thimble, and needle threader. Very nicely done. I do like those little toolkits. They save everything, don't they? Okay, now I want this. Number is 6384, 6384, and 6384. So let's get the threads out of their bag. Oh, geez, I almost turned off the light instead of pause the video. Oh, we're doing so well. Hang in there, people. We're going to get through this together. Okay, I'm back. My voice is just cracking between the wind and everything else this week. So we got some greens, and there's that pale yellowish color. This is 3047. I don't know, maybe that color right there is the 3770. So it's going on the background, and 3865. But you do have, hang on, and they're all on thread cards, tags. But we have some darker colors, so we have some fuchsias, we have some palish purple, some kind of, it's almost a greenish blue. It's not a true green or a true blue, but lovely shades of green. Yeah, I think this is going to be the start, or the video. I'm going to start this for the March Saturday stitching, which will be at 1 o'clock, so be sure to tune in to that. But we also have other shades of green. There's some 2 shades of palish olive green. I don't know if you can tell that. Very nice colors though, very nice. I liked all 4 of these. That's why I wanted to get all 4 of them. And it's a good thing I got bags, right? I'm gonna need them. So between now and the video at 1 o'clock, I'm gonna have to put these all on one of my rings. And, you know, check them all in. Let's take a look at the canvas. So it's an older style canvas, which is fine. It doesn't bother me at all. And this one always crunches better. And it's not real dark, if you can tell. But it's very, very clear when you get it up to your face there. It is serged all the way around. Boy, they are bigger than I thought they were going to be. Holy cow. But there's nice big areas, and the confetti is just, you know, kind of sprinkled evenly throughout the whole thing. Just absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And the stitching just barely grazes, but you have the same thing. So on both of these kits, I had to look, both of these kits, the paper pattern will match the canvas. So keep that in mind. If, you know, some of the stitching gets discombobulated on the side, but very nice. Very nicely done. And both of these are about the same size. Let me see where my tape measure is. Okay, it is, we're going up and down. Yeah, I can hardly wait to start all 4 of these. All right, so it's 60 centimeters, or almost 23 3/4 inches by, whoops, I about pulled it off, 39.5 centimeters or 15.5 inches. So it's not too big. It's nice lap size. So 13 inches or 33 centimeters by, whoa, I did pull it that time. Hang in there, guys. We are getting through this. 21.5 inches or a tad bit over 54 centimeters. So it's kind of long and skinny, and you can work on the, I like how the background is. You know, it's not one great big area, so there's going to be some detail in here. And, you know, sprinkled confetti, but just work it one little area at a time. I think it's going to be beautiful. Just beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And I like that you can read, you know, see and read the word there. If there's anything at the bottom, it's all not happening. But this nice big spring thing. So I hope that the rest of them, you know, you can read spring, summer, fall, winter, you know. So I thought we'd start this one today, not in this video, a little bit later, and work on it. And then, you know, when I get the summer one, we'll work on that one in the summer and the other one in fall, and et cetera, et cetera. You got my meaning. But yeah, I'm very happy with both those kits. Now, PaintSomeWay, like I said, if they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, they'll be in the beginning of the video and in the description below. They have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. And they also do custom. They have tools and crafts for all of that. And they usually have free shipping on orders over $49. They have separate sections for like Spring, Joy, Sunday. I don't know if it was Mona Lisa, but you get the point. Across the top, you know, in the first page of their website. So do check them out. They always have a great selection, great prices. They're very comparable to everybody. Do check them out. Thank you, PaintSomeWay, for these two gorgeous kits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.